You wake up, and the air itself feels sharp. Breathing hurts. Your phone says minus 50 degrees Celsius. If you step outside unprepared, your skin could freeze in minutes. This isn't survival training. This is everyday life. In the coldest village on Earth, you are in Oymyakon, a small village deep in eastern Siberia. Around 500 people live here. Morning doesn't begin with coffee. It begins with preparation. Layer after layer. Fur, wool, thick boots, heavy gloves. Every piece matters. You step outside, and your eyelashes freeze instantly. Survival depends on what the land allows. Frozen fish, reindeer meat, horse meat. Food doesn't need freezers in Oymyakon. Nature preserves everything. A warm meal is rare and deeply appreciated. Hot tea feels like comfort. Life here is unforgiving. Cars cannot be turned off, or they may never start again. Metal burns bare skin. Darkness lasts most of the day. Medical help is far away. One mistake can cost everything, but inside these homes, the world changes. Families sit closer. Stories are shared. Laughter fills the room. In a place where nature is brutal, human warmth becomes essential. Community isn't optional here. It's how people survive. You might wonder why they stay. Because this land is home. Their ancestors lived here. Their identity was shaped by this cold. So the real question is, could you live here?